It's a new life. What's going on, Queen? Wealthy Rising. Peace, peace, peace. How you feeling? How goes today? How goes today? Just giving it a couple of minutes and letting people tune in and tap in. Giving it a couple of minutes and letting people tune in and tap in. We will be going live here in a second. Give me 1 second. We'll be going live here in a second. Yeah, I mean, it's early, I guess. I guess it's early, Mr. New Life. You know, or people ain't that interested in cryptocurrency right now. Charlie the Great, what's going on? Miss Ayana Baker, what's going on, Queen? I know I got that session today at noon with you and your sister. Yeah, you and your sister. You and your sister today, yeah. I believe that comes in at noon, from noon to, what is it, 1:30, I think, is what you all chose, if I'm not mistaken. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. How we doing out there? Y'all already know what time it is. It's the Bitcoin Block Bully coming to you once again for the Early Rising Show of Coffee and Crypto. How are y'all feeling out there? How are y'all feeling out there? It is Friday. End of the week. It is the end of the week. And as always, we're going to be taking a look at the market, who's seeing a slight correction right now. Right? Seeing a slight correction right now. So we're going to look and see what the market look like it wants to give us, especially for over this little weekend spot that we're going to have. Miss Fallon, what's going on, Queen? Jay God, Ducky Bully, Crypto Youngin, what's going on? No, they starting to come in. You know, it's slow pace sometimes. Sometimes it's slow pace, but they're starting to come in though. We'll probably by mid show we'll have individuals in here. So, and that's on the IG side. Instagram, YouTube normally does better than IG. We already got about 17 viewers coming in on YouTube. Reaches a lot more people. You know what I'm saying? It reaches a lot more people. So there we go, right there. Miss Nay, what's going on, Queen? Wealthy Rising. Yes, definitely. Are you gonna if you're gonna be around the area? Let me know. I know you had that event up at the promontory before. Is on sale. I think today is the day I cop. Oh yeah, you know what? Helium mobile miners are on sale. If I'm not mistaken, they got an October sale. Let me see. Let me look that up for everybody. Helium mobile. Let me see. Let me look that up for everybody real quick because I believe they are on sale right now. Yep. Yep, they are on sale right now. They are on sale. 175. They got a fall promotion right now. For those that don't know what this is, and for those that have been in the space for a little bit of time now, we are of the flock that is getting paid to use our phones, getting paid to use the internet and whatnot, right? And these hotspots are one way that an individual is able to take their internet connections to a more profitable state, right? So right now I've got the majority, no, actually all three of these monitors in this room all running off of my Helium mobile hotspot. Okay. Dr. Duality reminded me that they're on sale. He said he thinks today's the day he caught. And that's the thing, right? It's always best to wait for the discount. They're always gonna give discounts, y'all. They're always gonna give discounts, y'all. You know what I mean? It's always best to wait for the discount. Place, deploy, earn. And it's that easy. It's that easy. The outdoor hotspots right now are on sale for $350. And this ain't no paid promotion. I'm just trying to show people how to get money in this new money matrix, as I like to call it. That's all I'm doing. I'm just trying to show people, there's ways out here that individuals are getting paid right now for driving, for walking, for talking. I mean, hell, right now. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Where is it? Where is it? Right now, I'm actually, if I turn this on real quick, and you'll only be able to see this on Instagram, but if I go ahead and allow this to, here we go. There we go. So what y'all can see on Instagram right now is I'm earning noise coins, right? As the volume comes in, right? It's measuring, as you can see, the decibels, and I'm earning as it's measuring those decibels. Once again, only those that are on Instagram can see this. There's only about 8 people in here, 9 people in here, well, 10 people in here. So a lot of people are going to miss out on what I'm dropping right now. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are going to miss out on what I'm dropping right now. But that's what you're seeing right there. Those are the coins being earned right now in real time. You get what I'm saying? So I can actually pull that up for people. Hold on. What is it now? Silencio. Silencio. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is right here for those that are interested. Yeah, it's a new world. I keep telling people it's a new world. Silencio. Measure noise levels and get rewarded. Okay. It's a new money matrix. That's what I keep trying to tell y'all. It is a new money matrix. Okay. Brother Michael, what's going on? Wealthy Rising. Miss Holmes, peace, peace, peace. You hadn't got the notification? Yeah, they be banning me sometimes. Peace. It's not showing you live. The notification request is showing. Oh wow, interesting, interesting, interesting. The Helium Mobile Discord mentioned a change for the outdoor hotspot. Did anyone catch the update? I didn't, Miss Fallon. I did not. I did not. I'm sure it's going to be a Black Friday sale. Yep, top of the million. Miss a little bit lost. What's going on? Courtney Johnson, peace. Yeah, we got the people starting to come in now. We got the people starting to come in now. I need to get back active on the blockchain and in the Web3 space. Truth beliefs. I didn't know you left. I never knew you left. Can you share the one for the weather? Yes, I can share the one for the weather. I can share the one for the weather. Oh man, I used to know it off the top of my head. Let me see. Where's the app at? I can show the one for the weather. Dang, what is it? What is it? Hold on. Let me see. Weather XM. That's what it was. That's what it was. It was Weather XM. That's what it was. It was Weather XM. Right. So now what y'all looking at are stations that individuals can purchase. Right. This right here is about $400, and you're basically being paid to measure the weather. Okay. Okay. Get yours today and start earning WXM tokens for contributing device data to the network. All right. Little weather machines. It's little weather machines. Yeah, I've done the update on the Helium Mobile. Jay God said yes, he did. Just coming in. What's this about? Silencing. So now these right here, weather machines. This right here is a platform where you get paid for. Let me just show y'all once again. There's a platform where you get paid just for those that are on Instagram. You can see you get paid for measuring the decibels within the room. Okay, so turn on some music, leave the house, leave your app playing, and just earn noise coins. But on this one right here, Helium Mobile, of course, this is the one where we are earning mobile tokens for using the internet, using our hotspot. So you got a way to get paid for using the hotspot, right? You have a way to get paid for using the phone, right? You got a way to get paid for using the phone. Pay $20 a month and earn, as much mobile tokens as you can, or use the mobile tokens to pay off the phone bill. Therefore, you don't have to pay a phone bill. And then you got the weather machines that's going to pay you for measuring the weather. All right. So we got weather, noise, internet, and phone. Weather, noise, internet, and phone service. That's what we're looking at right here. Okay. Man, there's so many different ways to get paid in this space. People don't even understand. So many different ways. But anyways, let's take a look. We see Bitcoin back up 61,000, Ethereum at 2,300. AVAX, Aptos, ICP, Arbitrum taking the lead right now, along with Render, WIF, and Shiba Inu. We are going to take a look at the current prices. In fact, let's go ahead and take a sneak peek at BTC in its most current state right now. There we go. Nah, no doubt, deep conditioner. No doubt. Like I say, I'm trying to make sure everybody gets paid. Let me go ahead and pick up this beat on my noise earning. But yeah, so we got a couple of stories also before we jump in. Wow, that is great for decentralized weather monitoring, especially right now when HARP is being used at an all-time high. See, you got the idea. Dr. Duality. You got the idea. You getting it. You picking up. This is the way we got to think. Right? We got it. Now, what do we got going on in the world? Japan's MetaPlanet profits 1.4 million from Bitcoin options and increases its holdings to 530 Bitcoin. Now, this is the question that I ask everybody, right? Are you over here for more dollars or are you over here for more Bitcoin? In fact, let me get a show of hands, right? In fact, no, this is what we can do. Drop a B if you here for the Bitcoins. Drop the money emoji if you here for the dollars, right? What is? I'm talking about the big goal, not short term. Of course, we all need money in the short term, but what's your big goal? Are you trying to accumulate more Federal Reserve notes, or are you trying to accumulate more biddies? Huh? Are you for the Bitcoins or are you for the paper? Let me know. What are y'all here for? Let me just do a quick poll. Let me do a quick poll and see what we here for. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of B's. And gold backs. I'm seeing a lot of B's. Okay, so I see we all on the same page. So let me ask you, what is one of the strategies that you're using to increase your Bitcoin holdings? Huh? What's one of the strategies that you're using to increase your Bitcoin holdings? Okay. Found an even cheaper gold note website. Are they gold backs or are they just another form of gold note? More godlike. Are they gold backs or are they just another form of gold note? It's a reason that I'm specifically dealing with the gold backs, and it has to do with trust. So So now if they gold backs, I'm all for it. If it's just another gold note, it doesn't meet the criteria that I need. Venus Black said the dollar is dead. Sam Stone said I'm dollar cost averaging. Sam Stone said I'm dollar cost averaging. Triple B's, Quanto Joe. Brother the Barber said I'm stacking Bitcoin. I just be throwing money in it every other week, but honestly, no real strategy. Get you a strategy a little bit, Lawson. You got to understand what's going on in this world, and when we look at the future, think of it like this, right? A little bit, Lawson. Think of it like this. Think of it like this, right? What if you knew that? What if you knew, right? What if you knew that we were going from? Let's just take it back in time real quick. Let's take it back in time real quick, right? What if we were dealing with? What if we were dealing with livestock at the time, as far as a means of barter, right? And you started getting wind that those yellow rocks that people have been finding, digging trenches, digging gardens, those yellow rocks that people used to be finding in the rivers, which we now know is gold, right? But just imagine you getting the whiff through the wind, through the grapevine, that this is going to be what we're going to be utilizing within the years to come as a medium of exchange, and or as what is going to back the medium of exchange, right? Now imagine, once again, where we're on a current monetary system of goats and cows and cattle, whatever the case may be, right? But once again, you're getting that buzz, right? You're tapped in with the right people, and you're hearing that these new gold rocks, which they're everywhere right now, nobody really wanted them, right? And remember, we're talking about the beginning of Bitcoin. Nobody really wanted the gold rocks because they're everywhere. It's like, oh, it's gold rocks. You know what I'm saying? And then, but they're letting you know, like, hey, in a couple of years, we're going to switch to these gold rocks. How many gold rocks would you try to acquire? Huh? How many gold rocks would you try to acquire? Grandmaster Bay, send me your email so I can send you the schedule link. Send me your email right now so I can send you the schedule link. Purchase some classes. You'll find the strategy guaranteed. Charlie the Great, I like that. He said, purchase some classes. You'll find the strategy guaranteed. And I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. Number one, my classes are going to put you far ahead of the rest of society. This is just a known fact, right? I'll go to court on that. Because I don't teach, quote unquote, how to make money. I teach how to use the new technology, which just so happens to evolve around a new form of money and currency, right? Right. So now he's definitely right about that. Understanding that those that come to my classes, right, you set yourself ahead of the rest of society by at least 5 to 10 years. This is just a known fact. This is just a known fact. Go out in your community, for those that are really in the space with me. Go out in your community and see who's doing any type of decentralized banking. Let's keep it a buck. Go talk to the people that actually got some money too. Don't, this is another thing we got to understand. Individuals of certain tax brackets aren't going to have certain financial know-hows, right? So go out and talk to individuals that got a little bit of paper, got a little bit of money, and ask them, hey, are you banking on the blockchain yet? Decentralized banking yet? And watch the stares that you get. Deers in the headlight, right? Nobody's here where we're at yet right now as far as education and implementation. Let me say that. Education and implementation, right? They're not there. We got people right now in my YouTube saying they're stacking, lending, stacking stacks, Arcadeco. They're staking on Sovereign, right? These are the future financial institutions that individuals are using on an everyday basis at the their fingertips. You get what I mean? Right? We're ahead of the rest of society. I hope y'all understand. It's not just about, hey, buy Bitcoin and look at the price go up. That's not what I'm here for, right? It's, hey, look at this new technology. Let's learn how to use it, right? While they're telling you, hey, the price of Bitcoin, and I think it's going to go, hey, look at this technology. You want to learn how to use it? Look what we can do over here. Oh, wow, I could put my house on the blockchain. I could put my paperwork on the blockchain, right? I could create a trust contract on the blockchain, right? I can drive and get paid on the blockchain. I can use the phone and get paid on the blockchain. I can use the internet and get paid on the blockchain. I can help provide data for the weather and get paid on the blockchain. Like, what are we really talking about here? I've given y'all so many different ways to get paid through the blockchain. It's not just about, hey, what coin do I buy? I keep trying to get y'all to understand that. We're at the forefront of a new financial paradigm that's going to be ran through technology. In fact, Larry Fink just came out and said that we're not even going to need custodians anymore. Let me see if I can find that real quick. Larry Fink, no need. Y'all know what a custodian is? You know who's going to be out of a job? Custodians. Let me see. Let me see if I can find this quote. Let me see if I can find it. Ah, here it is right here. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, and I quote, the underlying technology of crypto, which is what I'm teaching you all. Remember, everybody else is focused on crypto. I'm teaching you all the underlying technology of crypto. Once again, he says the underlying technology of crypto is really useful. We don't need custodians anymore on Fox Business. I can't believe he said that. You know how many people he just said that, motherfucker, we don't need you anymore as a job? We don't need your. Do y'all understand what he just said to the world? I don't think you do. I don't think you do. Y'all understand what he just said to the world? Hopefully y'all catching the alley oops I'm throwing y'all. Hopefully you're catching the alley oops I am throwing y'all. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. See what's really going on. We did have a move. Let me kind of get this out the way just so we can kind of see. Okay, get it kind of clear up for everybody. All right, get it kind of clear. I use a number of different cold wallets: Ledger, SafePal, Trezor. I just bought a brand new Trezor. Probably shouldn't be saying all that, but no. I trust. I do. Yeah, I trust Ledger. I trust the hardware wallets that I currently have, right? Because I trust myself not to compromise them. You get what I mean? I trust myself not to compromise them. Brazy World said I'm already 2200 at 20. Brazy World said I'm already 22 at 21-year-old. I don't understand the comment, Brazy World. I don't understand the comment. Dock workers worried about jobs, bankers, and financial sectors being disrupted now. Facts, big facts, big facts. All right, so now what are we looking at here? We're looking at 3 drives of bullish divergence. Off those 3 drives of bullish divergence, we did see a move north. We did see a move. Yeah, Tangum is a good hardware wallet too. I'm gonna buy me one of them tangems. I'm gonna buy me a tangem. But we did see a nice move north. Okay, we did see a nice move north popping out of that bullish divergence. Now, if you look at the RSI, it's real interesting that we broke back down and bounced off this 45 here. Now, for me, my RSI, I changed mine from the default. So anybody else is doing technical analysis, you probably got them set at 70 and 30. Mine are set at different intervals, 55 and 45, because it gives me a different outlook. As of right now, that outlook is showing me that this could be a possible area of support, right? What we're looking for Bitcoin to do, though, right, is get back up above this 50% retracement level right here. Okay, let me zoom in so y'all can really see this. Right, we're trying to get above this 50% retracement level right here. So on a 24-hour basis, Bitcoin's trying to get above $61,458. Right now we're at 61.6. Now be mindful, y'all. Be mindful when you do get a slight little reversal. Let me see my newsletter, the testimony, the year. My newsletter, the testimony, the year. Send me a newsletter, Brazy World. But what this could be, right? This could be a bump before it continues to ray down. Because what happens is that we break down, we lose support, we come back test that support as resistance, and then we continue the direction to the downside. There's nothing in and of itself that's telling me the price is going to just reverse right here, right? So what you're seeing here is probably a chance to fade the market and or offload some of that, what you have, in order to buy back cheaper, right? Because in my humble opinion, always remember, this is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. These are just my humble opinions. I'm in the process of liquidating my silver bond, looking to just buy an unrefined gold and to come see you about this. Charlie P. Official. No doubt, Charlie P. Official. Reach out. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Very interesting. But nah, if we don't hold above 61,458, I'm going to look at a rejection here and then a continuation move going south to 58,500. Right? We can see a back test of the 38.2. Right? We can definitely see that. We can definitely see that. Now, at the same token, we can reverse at this level as well. In the same token, we can reverse at this level as well. But it's all about where we stand in relation to these Fibonacci extension tools, in my humble opinion. Do I like Eagon? I'm not familiar with the project, so I can't comment on the question. I do apologize. You said 5 to 10 years ahead of society. The year 2200. Ah, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. My man's Brazy World. He said he's in the year 2200 at 21 years old in 2024. I got you. My man's. My man's. I got you. I got what you're saying. I got what you're saying. All right. So once again, right? What I'm looking for, remember, I keep it on the eye. It's not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. I keep it on the eye, right? What I'm looking for is for Bitcoin to either hold current support, take back out our previous high, continue on the rally, lose face right here at the 50, which is as of right now disappeared, break down to see 58,500 and possibly look for a bounce at that level, right? Possibly look. I would also look for a little bit of bullish divergence, which we seen once again with these three drives being, let me zoom out for y'all, right? 1, 2, 3 drives the bullish divergence, and then we pump. Now, let me put this out there too. Let me put this out there too, right? If you want to get, because those signals, let me not call them signals, right? Let me not call them signals. What I'm gonna say is that if you want to get the best bang for your buck in information and trying to learn with a community, I suggest you join the New Money Matrix Discord, right? Become part of the New Money Matrix family, right? Become part of the New Money Matrix family. This is a community of learning, right? A community of learning. But the idea is that we're able to earn while we learn, right? The idea is that we're able to earn while we learn, right? So I'm gonna keep you updated as far as the direction of price goes. I just dropped a video late last night about maybe 11 o'clock last night, midnight, something like that. I just dropped a video last night for the Discord, and I also showed them a project that does have the ability to, not a guarantee, but it does have the ability to see over a 20,000% return. And that's pretty normal in this space. Once you really understand what's going on, that's really normal in this space. Did anybody that's from the Discord get a chance to watch last night's video yet? Anybody get a chance to watch that video yet? Anyways, so let's take a look. Let's look at a butt naked chart real quick. Let's put it together. Let me get all the bells and whistles off of it real quick. Let's get rid of that. And what I want to do, right, since we're going in on closing in on a weekly marker, right? We're closing in on a weekly marker. What I want to do is I want to take a look at this from a weekly perspective. All right. I want to take a look at this from a weekly perspective. Once again, as I'm talking, y'all, as I'm talking right now, earning noise coins, as I'm talking, just using my voice and I'm earning coins. Okay. Once again, it's a million ways where you can make money in this space. A million ways. You got a video on it, love? On what, Miss Empress Frequency? What is that? What do you need a video on? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Or a class. But now let's look at this on a weekly, right? Let's look at this on a weekly basis. And let's use our previous low there. Let's use our previous low there. So what are we seeing? What am I seeing? Okay. So I'm seeing from swing low to swing high. Let me zoom in for y'all. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at. From swing low to swing high, right? What I'm looking at here is a 50% correction with bodies closing above the golden ratio, right? That would be this area here, right? So we close all our bodies above the golden ratio, even though we did have wicks leading into the golden ratio. I need that app how you earn coins with your voice. Silencio is the app. Silencio. I might have a referral code too. In fact, we might be able to earn together. Let me see. We might be able to earn together. For those who want the link for the Silencio app, hit my DM. Just hit my DM or hit my email. Hit my DM or hit my email for those that want the link for the Silencio app where you're gonna be able to earn while you talk. So once again, we're getting paid to help tell the weather. We're getting paid to talk. We're getting paid to use the phone, and we're getting paid to use the internet. Who else out there is doing this? Name one phone company right now that's paying you. Name one phone company out there that's paying you. One phone company. I'll wait. Drop the code. I gotta. In order for me to drop it though, I gotta stop the app from working. I don't want to stop from recording. Let me see where my other phone at. Where my other phone at? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Look at the device. Because I do got it. I've got it on all my phones actually. So I'll be having however many phones I have all running at one time. And what I do with my phone? There it is. Let me see. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can get a. Let me see. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me see. Come on. Let me see. Refer a friend. Here we go. Refer a friend. Let me see. Let me see what it looks like. You know what? Okay. That's what you do. So you just got to use my username. Hold on. Give me 1 second. You just got to use my username. Give me 1 second. I'm going to give it to you. Hold on. See? I just earned my coins. I went ahead and ended it and claimed my coins. Right? I went ahead and ended it and claim your bonus. What does the future hold? I got a bonus to claim too. Let's see. What kind of bonus? Oh wow, they gave me a bonus 1.3x. Nice. They increased the amount of coins I was earning. Very nice. Very nice. All right, so what you can do, right? What you can do is just use this blockchain bully. Get out of there. Just use this name right here, blockchain bully, as the referral code. Okay. All you need is my username. Use blockchain bully. Blockchain bully if you want to get paid to record noise. Once again, I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna turn it back on, okay? I'm gonna turn it back on, okay? Hold on. Boop, boop. And this is only for those that are on Instagram. I apologize for those that are on YouTube. Right now, what I'm doing is just showing them real quick. We're gonna get right back to it. I'm in the last tier rank, 10K, trying to complete everything. Good shit, Xenos. Good shit. All right, bam. All right, so do not talk directly over the phone. Do not measure with your phone covered. Keep it out in the air. Do not use any form of transportation. Longer measurements are always better. Have fun. Bam, turn it on. Use this walking freely. Use this inside the venue. Bam, there we go. And now we're back on. And now we are back on. And we are earning for the noise. All right, cool. All right, so now what you're looking at Bitcoin and what I'm seeing right now with Bitcoin is an attempt and a try, right? I'm looking at an attempt and a try right here to hold the 23.6. I'm looking at an attempt and a try to hold the 23.6. That's $62,230, right? What I'm looking at right now is a weekly chart. So in the next 2 days and 9 hours, if we are able to hold above this red line, Sister Soldier, Wealthy Rising Queen, Monique the Great, peace, 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 Miss Ayana Baker. How we doing? I'm Miss Charting. Got to get back in the game. Hey, come on. It's here for you. It's here for you. I'm a golden goose, and I was given a chance to name myself on their blockchain. Me as well. I was also given that choice. Solano. Let me show you. I have secured my name. Hold on. Let me show you. There we go. Let me see. Did I get another golden goose? Let me take a look here. See if we got another. Okay, so that right there was from 24 days ago, right? For those that are on Instagram that are able to look, the spirit of the golden goose had descended upon thee with 5,000 mobile. So I got 5,000 free coins just for using the phone. 5,000 free coins just for using the phone, right? Just for using my phone. I got 5,000 free tokens, right? Hold on. Let me print the certificate, put my dynamic coverage on. Bam, bam. There we go. So yeah, I did without showing my number. I did reserve my name, if you can see it right there. Amir Hodari L. Yep, I did reserve my name. I did get the reserve. And let me see. Okay, I got about 8,000 tokens to claim. I got about 8,000 tokens to claim right now on my Helium mobile app. About 8,000 tokens to claim right now. And I'm going to claim them after the show. All right, so once again, Bitcoin, 62,230 to hold. If we lose that area, I'm looking at 55,000 as being the next target to the downside. That's if in the next 2 days and 9 hours, if we're not already there. But if we're still lingering around the $62,000, $61,000 area, the way that we close is going to determine in what direction I believe price is going to go in. Okay. I got 8 geese, also a golden goose, all results. What's up with helium? I definitely need ends. Look at God. Appreciate you greatly. I appreciate y'all. Miss Diana Baker, thank you. Miss Diana Baker, let me know, did you get the invite link for our session today for in-house banking? Did you get the invite? Did you get the the invite code? Let me know if you got the invite code. Let me know if you got the invite code in your email for our session today. Let me know if you got the invite code for our session today. All right. Now, we always got to look at the flip side of things, right? We always got to look at the flip side of things. If we're looking at Bitcoin right now. We're looking at Bitcoin. My analysis on Bitcoin right now is either we hold 62,230 and bounce from here, or we lose it and see a possibility of retest at $55,000. Okay. Okay. Now on the flip side, hold on, let me open this up. On the flip side, we take a swing high to a swing low, right? There we go. We can see that we're still closing above the 786 and we're still wedged between the one spot. We haven't gone anywhere. Nothing's changed over the last couple of weeks. Mo, what's going on, sir? Yes, sir. I got you. 20 on. What's going on, Law? How you feeling today? Well, so our major resistance here is about 69,000. That's our major resistance, about 69,000. On the low side, we got 57,000. I'm gonna say 500. Okay, we're at 61, so we're kind of in limbo, dead smack, not dead smack, but kind of in the middle of the range, trying to decide what the next move is going to be. Now, what I do like here on the weekly is the fact that we're still losing negative momentum. All right, look at that; it's getting weaker and weaker and weaker. And what that is this is a symbol of the exhaustion from the bears, right? So the sellers are becoming more and more and more exhausted, the more and more and more that we lose this negative momentum here, right? So, in my humble opinion, the way that it's looking is that it is coming close, not yet, but coming close to a possibility of flipping bullish. Okay. I did receive the link for class today. Okay, cool. I'll see you in a minute. I did. What was I saying? Damn, I just threw myself off. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're coming close to a possibility of being able to flip this thing back positive. See that positive momentum come in? Because what you're looking at is here, right? Where you're losing, and then you flip. And that would be from price right here, where you're bearish, and then you move to the upside. Okay? And then you move to the upside. Oh, yeah, definitely a cup and handle. Huge cup and handle here. You're right. Who's that? Who just said that? Empress frequency. Good shit. Good call. Let's go ahead and draw that in. Let's go ahead and actually draw that in. So we do have a huge cup and handle here. Boop. Just like that. Right? Just like that. Now, what you're normally able to do is draw a cup and handle or measure, a cup and handle. And that's normally from the resistance on down to the support, which is about right there. And then that normally gives you a breakout target. Now, this specific cup and handle breakout target gives us a macro. Remember, this is a macro target, y'all. It's not going to happen today, not going to happen tomorrow, but it is in the if and when we get above this cup, right, the top of the teacup, right? If and when we get above the top of the teacup, our breakout target is 274,906. So roughly $275,000 from where we currently stand. Which from where we currently stand, what type of increase is that? That's only a 350% move. That's not even that much. That's only a 350% move. Grandmaster Base said earn noise hitting already. Hey, my man. And that would be the thing. For those that downloaded that Silencio app, you can go ahead and let it listen to my ass for the next 10, 20, 30 minutes. Right? Get paid. Why not? Earn while you listen. Earn while you listen. Earn while you talk. Earn while you surf the internet. It's just a live to earn era that we're in right now. Just a live to earn era that we're in right now. Anyways, all right. So let's get off of let's get off of the charts real quick. Let's go take a look and see what's going on in the news. Right. Once again, Japan's Meta Planet, they opened up Bitcoin options. Right. They opened up Bitcoin options and they increased their holding of Bitcoin, not cash. They increased their holdings of Bitcoin to 530. Right. They secured 23.9 Bitcoin profit by selling 223 Bitcoin put options set for December 24th, right? December 2024 maturity with QCP Capital, right? Now, if you don't know what put options are, right? Put options are you basically buying the option to sell at a determined price. Am I right? Right, because you're shorting the market. Correct. Correct. Call options are buys. Right. Call options are buy. It locks in your future buy. A put option locks in your future sell. Okay. If I got that correct, I think I do. But it goes on to state that they made a strategic financial move in the crypto market by selling 223 Bitcoin put options, gaining a profit of 23.972 BTC. The transaction was conducted with QCP Capital and is slated to mature in December 2024, continuing Metaplanet's bullishness on Bitcoin. In the transaction of Metaplanet, Bitcoin put options at a strike price of 62,000 per Bitcoin with maturity in December 2024. With this strategic move, the firm was able to purchase a hefty premium of 23.972 Bitcoin, equaling about 8.95 million yen. In treasury management, the management adeptly shifts the options market to demonstrate savvy in managing Bitcoin reserve using financial instruments and managing the risk of volatile conditions. Moreover, the decision to be involved in such high risk options trading in Bitcoin is solid, considering the Bitcoin price highly fluctuates. The latest report indicates that the Bitcoin witnessed a very slight price decline, trading at around $61,217.22. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic and often unpredictable, and firms like Metaplanet are becoming increasingly prepared to navigate complex financial means. Now, anybody else out there playing the crypto markets went back and bought gold backs. Oh, my man said he went back and bought gold backs. My man. Anybody else out there playing the options market? Let's see how much the options are right now. Let's see how much options are going for right now. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe they expire now on the first of the year. Let's take a look. I believe they expire on the first of the year, if I'm not mistaken now. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is all y'all need to see Instagram. That's all we really need to see right here. Okay. All right. Let me see. So if we're looking at Ethereum options, let's see, 30 days. They expire January 2nd. They expire January 2nd. So if you do buy one Ethereum right now, it's only $331 with an expiration date of January 2nd and a strike price of 27.21. You can see right there. So anything above 27.21 going into January is your profit. For $331, it's going to cost you one share. Okay, that's just one share. So as you buying a $2,300 asset for $331, right? Right. And the way that it works is that you're buying the option to buy this asset. Okay, this is how it works. You're buying the option to purchase this at a future date for $2,721. That's basically how this works. Okay, that's basically how this works. Now let's see what it is for Bitcoin. And they only got 0.6 contracts left for Bitcoin. For Ethereum, you have 21 contracts left. You got 21 contracts left for Ethereum, but you only got about 0.6 contracts left for Bitcoin. That means they've been buying up the Bitcoin contracts. Let me see what if we pick a earlier date. 0.7 contracts. Let's see if we expire on Christmas Day. What do we got? 0.7 contracts. You can't even buy a full one. But The contracts for Bitcoin, if you wanted to get a whole Bitcoin, $7,380. $7,380. And what you're looking for is by January, you need price to be above 68,986. So what you're buying is a call option that allows you the option to purchase Bitcoin at a future price of 68,986. The premium that you're paying is the difference between what price is right now and what your strike price is, right? So if you buying it at 61,000 and you have a strike price of 68,009, that $7,300 is the difference between those two prices. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? That's how options work. And I think I do have a video explaining this too. I think I do have a video on my website. Let me see. I think I do have an options video. Let's take a look. Very useful. Very useful. In fact, a strategy that I gave the New Money Matrix Discord, which I'll share live, is instead of you purchasing one full contract, you can just purchase if you're bullish on Ethereum, right? This is a strategy anybody can use. If you're bullish on Ethereum, right? This is a strategy that anybody can use. Let me show y'all real quick. Right? Just so you can break up your order. That way you don't have to cash all out at one time, right? Right now, if we look at the value of Ethereum and we look at, let me see, 0.1 ETH right now is $238. Okay, you see that? 0.1 ETH, $238 right now, $238. Now, the strategy that I gave the New Money Matrix Discord, right, the New Money Matrix family, right, the strategy is to buy 0.1 contracts, right? To buy zero. Oh, that's Bitcoin. My fault. Let's do Ethereum. There we go. Because that $238 position is open to you for 33 bucks. You know how many people spend $33 a day on weed, cigars? And I always go back to this because this shit I'm around, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. But meaningless. Well, not say meaningless because I smoke like a chimney. But what I am saying is that everybody has a source of income that they may not know that they can tap into to utilize, right? So now, I mean, if you like playing parlays, and I don't know how to do that sports betting shit, but I'll bet my money in crypto though. You get what I'm saying? I'll bet my money in crypto. So I'll pay $33 for a $238 position that expires in 3 months. You get what I mean? Are y'all picking this up? Are y'all picking this up? What I'm dropping for y'all? Are y'all picking this up? Oh, what exchange? My fault. Hegic. 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 You can't DM me, Brazy World? Why not? Comment under my video. Comment under one of my videos. Comment under one of my posts, and I'm gonna come back and follow you. I must not be following if you can't DM me. All right. Now, once again, who doesn't want $33 for a $238 position that expires in the next 3 months with a strike price around 2,700? We were just there. You get what I'm saying? Now, let me see. I think I do have that video. Let me see. Yep, here it is right here. How to trade decentralized options right here. Giving it to those dispensaries at that. Wait, what is it? Giving it to those dispensaries at that. However, I digress. Wait, what? What do you mean? Hold on, I'm lost. Indiana. I never really touched options, but I'll take that 33 on ETH for 3 months. 333. Hey, yeah. 33 on ETH for 3 months. 333. I love the numerology, Grandmaster Bay. I love it. But no, the video is available here, and there's a 15% discount on my website. Just use the code 444. There is a 15% discount on the website. Just use the code 444. Okay? If you want to get the options class. And if you want to get it, just schedule a one-on-one with me to learn how to trade options. You can do that too. We can, take a deeper dive. We can take a deeper dive. But anybody using the code 444 will get a 15% discount on anything on blockwallstreet.io. That's block, not black. Blockwallstreet.io. All right. 444 is the code. 15% discount on everything on the website. All right. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Oh, we got class tonight too. Almost forgot. We do have class tonight, and I got something in store because we're not just going to be covering Casper. The reason being, Casper is not that built out, but I do want to introduce people and get them prepared to interact within the ecosystem. So we are going to have an introduction to Casper as well as the KRC20 tokens tonight. That starts at 7 p.m. That's at 7 p.m. tonight for those that are interested. It is available on the website. Class is going to be anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. So you get ready to sit down for a minute, right? Get ready to sit down for a minute. Any crypto futures? I've been learning to trade futures. Oh, hell yeah, plenty of crypto futures. You want to trade crypto futures too? I think I got let me see. I think I got a futures class as well. Let me see real quick. But no, we do have class tonight. Casper, KRC20 tokens, and then I got some hidden gems I'm gonna drop on y'all tonight. For those that are coming to class, I got some hidden gems I'm gonna drop on y'all tonight. But let me see. I think I do have a futures trading class. How to trade futures. Let me see. Real estate. Hey, I don't know if y'all seen. Let me show y'all something. Let me show you how cold this space is, yo. Hold on. Yep, derivatives markets right here. Right here. Multi-chain derivatives market. This is how you trade futures right here. This is one of the Apex, right? This is Apex Exchange. I always trade pro. And you are able to trade futures markets here. And they got a nice selection. They got a nice selection. They got a very nice selection of tokens you can trade. Very nice selection of tokens you can trade. As of right now, you can use up to 30x leverage. 30x leverage. The 33 a day, giving it to these dispensaries. Got you, 100%. Happy Friday, Caden. May your gifts be returned 1,000x. Thank you. I appreciate that. And may anything you put into this return 1,000x to you as well. How much is Discord? I've taken numerous classes before. I know it's not pay to play. No, under $100. Under $100. Send out the email. You'll get the link. Sometimes I give discounts. Right now it was actually under. What was it? It was under, I think, $70 on a discount for those that entered early. But these are for people that are already in the group, right? So if you sent your donation in 2 or 3 days early, you got a discount. And I believe it was under $70 for the whole month, and you get one free class a month, right? So if I'm having one class a month, you get to join it free if you want. So that already takes care of the value of what you're paying because the classes are $100. You get what I'm saying? But if I'm having 3, 4 classes a month, pick whichever one you want for free. Take that for free. Get the video, right? But this is one platform you can use for leverage. Now, I like Kinetics Finance for the reason being that you can trade and earn more Kava tokens, right? You can trade and you can earn more Kava tokens, right? And they got crypto, forex. They got the index, which there's nothing under the index right now, but they do have commodities. You can trade gold and silver, and their leverage as of right now is up to 100x. Right now, you can use up to 100x. This is Kinetics Finance. This Kinetics Finance. All right. All right. Now let's get back to it. Now, Bitcoin ETF options to accelerate institutional adoption. So this is another thing that I'm starting to see within the traditional market, where we're beating everybody else at right now, right? Where we're literally beating everybody else at right now is the fact that, number one, we can already borrow against our Bitcoin. You'll be surprised how many times I hear a video of somebody like a Sailor, a Paul, a Gary Cardone saying, "Man, once we're able to use our Bitcoin as collateral, it's over with." It's like, what are you talking about? We've been using our Bitcoin for collateral for at least going on 4 or 5 years now. But you got to understand that they're not where we are. They may have more capital than us, right? They may have more skin in the game than us. Also, let me put this out there. Anybody that is part of the Discord, right? Always remember this. If you're part of the Discord, and I think it's pinned in there, but you get a 20% lifetime discount on everything on the website as far as past classes go. You get a 20% discount, which I do need to change the code for this month. Let me change the code real quick. I'm changing the code. I'm gonna drop that in the Discord, in the general chat. Well, no, I'm dropping it in general. Nah, I'm not gonna drop it in general chat. I'm gonna drop it in one of the chats where you have to be a donating member in order to see it. But I am changing the code up for this month. There we go. But Discord members do get a 20% lifetime as long as you're in the group discount on everything on the website as far as past classes go. I forgot about that. But what I was saying is that institutional money, the big wigs, those that got all the capital, right? Those that got all the capital, they do not have the means to do what we're doing over here in the decentralized finance ecosystem. They're not plugging their wallets into these DeFi platforms and protocols and playing with them. They're waiting for these bigger institutions to offer them the ability to custody their Bitcoin so they can give them a loan, right? They're waiting for the institutions to open up options for them because they can't trade the options right now. We have that ability. We have that advantage. Remember, I'm giving y'all first mover advantage. I'm giving y'all first mover advantage here. Okay, you can take with it and do what thou wilt, right? What the hell was that? Interesting. Take the information, do what you want, 100% up to you. Now, where else have I been able to get y'all ahead of the market? Look at this. Look at this. Grayscale launches the Aave investment fund. Wow. Very interesting. Have I not been yelling, screaming, harping about Aave? And in my humble opinion, it being the JP Morgan of the crypto sector right now. Have I not been saying this? Have I not, time and time again, have I not put y'all in a position to front run Wall Street? And normally it's Grayscale. Fact, point in case, right? The last three, I believe, three classes that I had, point in case, I had the class, and probably within a week and a half, 2 weeks of each class, Grayscale created a trust for the currency that I just had the class of. I can name Stacks. I can name Sui. And there was another one that they did a trust with after my class. You got to understand, y'all, I've been given insight from the ethers, from the creator, from the all, right? And it's that insight that I bring to y'all. This ain't no boogeyman bullshit, right? I don't understand or comprehend why I comprehend and understand what I do. That's just a fact. I wasn't raised in no financial home. I ain't know shit about none of this prior to 2016, I'm going to say. Didn't know jack shit about finances. And now here I am helping people all over the world get their finances together, right? It's got to be a God-given talent, right? But anyways, let me quit badgering along. Grayscale launches the Aave investment fund. How many Aave holders do we have out there? I plug me for Save to use the platform for collateral. You have mentioned Aave often. Oh man, what man? I've been driving Aave into y'all head, trying to nail it in there. How many Aave holders do we have out there? Thumbs up or a dollar sign. Let me know who out there is already invested in Aave. Who beat Grayscale? Who beat Grayscale to invest in Aave? Show a hand. Who's able to beat Grayscale? Sam Stone said, I've been talking about Aave since Brother Rich's class. Yeah, the class with Black Magic, Brother Rich, that was 2020. We're in 24 now, going into 2025. We're in 24 now, going into 2025. Right? Right? I'm giving y'all the answers to the test before you even know that the test is coming up. That's what this is. That's what this is. Okay? I've been giving y'all the answers to the test. Let's see how much Aave was when we held that class back in 2020. Let's see how much Aave was. Let's see. Let's take a look real quick. Let's take a look at how early I was able to get individuals into a project. And the class was around 2020, right? 2020. Where's 2020 at? Oh, wow. Whoa. Hold on. In 2020, right? We'll just go 2021, right? In 2020, Aave, depending on when I held the class, was between 70 and $1.95. So think about this. It was somewhere between $2, we're going to say, and $70 in 2020 when I held this class. Where did it go on to after that class? It ended up going up to $647. $647. Once again, I held the class, and I had been already introducing my students to Aave way before I held that class with Brother Rich. We had been in on Aave somewhere around 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. Just to keep it a buck with you. We was invested in Aave back when it was pennies, right? Back when it was pennies. Okay. And was able to profit off it going to $600. And that's the thing. That you want to know the reason why I'm always able to put you in a position to front run Wall Street? The reason being is because I take a look at the underlying technology. While you got everybody else, all the fanboys out there just looking for the next coin to pump, I'm looking at the underlying technology. I'm looking at the next technology to disrupt. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I pay attention to. Satoshi Sensei said that summer changed my financial mindset and ambitions drastically. I hope it did. Yusuf L. Bay said, I've been rocking with you since 2018. You were OG in the space, then if you've been rocking with me since 2018. Definitely an OG in the space. Definitely an OG in the space. Yeah, pandemic growing up. Well, really, the pandemic didn't come in until March 2020. The pandemic didn't come in until March 2020. We had been using Aave for at least 2 years before that, I think. Yeah, a year and a half, something to that effect. I've been using Aave literally since it was open, since it was available to use. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, what's Grayscale talking about now? What's Grayscale talking about? That's what we're here to find out. What's Grayscale talking about? What are they doing with Aave? All right. It goes on to state that the Aave token has outperformed this year after token holders endorsed upgrades to its tokenomics. Okay. Asset manager Grayscale Investments launched a new investment fund for Aave's governance token, Aave, or AAVE, according to an October 3rd announcement. The Grayscale Aave Trust, y'all, they continue to move in trust. They continue to move in trust. They continue to move in trust. And the trust class right now, for those who want to learn how to get set up with a trust, right? Their first trust. If I'm not mistaken, the trust class should be available on here. Right? It should be available. And this is going to be one of the easiest trusts you've ever set up. Private trust at that. Right now, it's 15% discount. 15% discount. Right? Not only did I walk over, I think 50 or 60 people through house to set up a private trust and operate commercially amongst each other, utilizing gold and silver, I funded everybody's trust, meaning I placed assets into each participant that came to my class. What other teachers are out here doing this? I gave somebody a gold back the other day, right? And I was just thinking, like, damn, when I first got into Bitcoin, I was walking around giving Bitcoin away. Now I'm really heavy into the gold. I'm walking around giving gold away. I give a lot of gold away. I don't know if y'all know that. Well, people in Chicago know that. I give a lot of gold away. Tips, just, hey, this is something you need to look at. You get what I'm saying? Something you need to pay attention to. It's damn near like I'm the reincarnated Mansa Musa in a way. I be thinking that shit in my head, like, damn, I'm doing the same shit. But I was doing that really before I knew what the whole gist with him was at that time, right? When I was doing it with Bitcoin. Like I said, I was just getting into finance, so I don't really know too much about it. You get what I'm saying? But it's like, damn, I'm literally I got so many videos of just giving people crypto. Any and everywhere I go. You get what I'm saying? I remember the young boy caught me in Atlanta, ran up to him. I still got it in my on my videos too. Gave him some crypto to walk away with, something early in the game, right? Because it's all about giving away. You give away and you receive back, right? That's what I've learned throughout my, something odd years of living. You get what I'm saying? That's what I've learned. That's what I've learned. So I'm trying to give y'all the information that's going to change your financial future, not just for you, but this is generational information. Generational information should be able to build generational wealth, because the wealth only comes. See, people think that you can win the lottery and you're going to be wealthy. That is a lie. You know how many people won the lottery and do not go on to pass that wealth down to future generations because they didn't get it off of information, right? They got it off a quick buck, quick flip, out the blue, right? That's not wealth, y'all. Think about if you don't have information and somebody was just to give you $1 million today, you'll probably be flat fucking broke in 6 months with nothing to pass on, nothing. I mean, you got a lot of shit you bought, right? You can show and and oohs and trinkets and all that, but you ain't got. So wealth comes with information and education. Okay, generational wealth comes with generational education. Aave is still a good play to invest in your opinion. I don't give financial advice like that. What I will say is that in my humble opinion, that's the JP Morgan of the space. And I'll say this, right? I'll say this. The way that I'm playing the game right now, right? I'm just playing previous highs on everything. So what I can say is I can't give you an analysis. I can't give you an analysis which states that as long as Aave is above $116, I will continue to accumulate Aave. And what I'm looking for it to do is break $192. Now, if we can get above $192.36, then my next projected target is going to be $283 to $429. That's a 38.2 to a 61.8% correction. Now, if and only if we are able to clear this area here, right, and get above this golden ratio right here, then I'm going to target my previous high, which is somewhere around $667. So that's what I can say. But can I say that it's a good position for somebody to invest? I can't say that because I don't give financial advice. But I can give you my opinion on what I think is going to happen with price. And all of this is dependent on if it's able to break through these specific levels of resistance and flip them into support. Okay. This actually said if I get a million, I'm taking every class you have and I'll continue to go from there, go up from there. That's a good strategy. That's a good strategy. Good strategy. Buying more Velo, thanks to you. More God Life. That's another one. Sleeper, super sleeper. If y'all didn't catch the Velo class, and see that's the thing about my classes, right? Where's the Velo class at? It should be up here available. Let me see. That's another one for the books. XRP. In fact, you can't go wrong right now with the XRP. Where it is? Yeah, Introduction to XLM and Velo. This is another one. Another must-have. 15% discount. Use the code 444. 15% discount. Use the code 444. For research and recreational purposes only. 100%. 100%. I've never told anyone, hey, buy this and this is going to be the outcome. My whole thing is like, look, we're going to educate ourselves. In order to educate ourselves, we have to use the technology. In order to use the technology, which runs on money, which runs on blockchain technology, which runs on gas fees and everything, you're going to have some capital. It's not a lot of this technology that you can use without having any type of capital, right? If I want to learn how to self-bank myself, which I do got a consultation coming up, I'm gonna have to get off this in a minute. But if I want to learn how to self-bank myself, right, I have to have some money to put into the bank, right? If I want to take out a self-secured loan on the blockchain without a name, without a social security number, without any type of identifying markers, I gotta have some capital to put up in order to take that loan. Once I take that loan, I can go do what I want with it, whether it's in the crypto space or in the real world. I've helped people obtain real estate by utilizing these methods, right? Taking out a loan against their crypto and going to buy buildings, which is what they're doing then is they are reallocating the debt into more tangible assets, right? So now that's good debt, right? You got bad debt, you got good debt. Which one are you playing with? Okay. Anyways, it goes on to state that the Grayscale Aave Trust offers investors. Let me zoom in real quick. My apologies. Wasn't able to download the last class due to no power because of this hurricane. Cutthroat, don't worry. Send me an email. I'm gonna send you the link again, but the link should be good and it should allow you to download for the next couple of weeks. So send me a link. Hey God, to go back, if I buy it on the site, how do I get them sent to me if I live outside the US? If you live outside the US, they should be able to mail international. I would reach out and hit their chat, but they should be able to mail international. Okay. And if you're talking about the actual go back site, they should be able to mail international. All right. All right. Where we at now? It goes on to state that the fund, which is only available to qualified investors. You see this? You see how they already put the gates up? Because these are gatekeepers. The fund, which is only available to qualified investors, right? Hey, for those that are interested and you want to be a qualified investor, which really don't need much, right? You want to get in on something, go to my website, right? For those that got the collective mindset and want to move as a group, right? For those that want to move as a group, go to my website, hit contact us, right? Hit contact us and send me an email with the word collective. Send me an email with the word collective, right? I don't. They already put the gatekeepers, the fund, which is only available to qualified investors. You see, this is the reason why we have decentralized finance. This is the reason why we have decentralized finance. because we're all qualified investors in this space. Anyways, that adds to Grayscale's suite of single asset crypto investment products. In August, Grayscale launched 3 trusts to invest in the native protocol tokens by Sky, previously MakerDAO, BitSensor, and Sui, respectively. And this right here is a list of the trust, all the trusts that they have: Aave, Avalanche, Basic Attention Token, Bitcoin Cash, BitSensor, Chainlink, Mana. Come on now, Decentralized. They got a Mana trust, y'all. Who can forget Mana? Who's still buying Mana today, understanding the future use case of that token within the metaverse? Because I haven't given up on the metaverse yet. I can't speak for nobody else, but I ain't gave up on the metaverse yet. Okay? Yeah, they got a large list of trust. Stellar Lumen, Sui, XRP, Zcash, Solana, Near Protocol, LivePeer, Litecoin, Horizon, Filecoin. Okay? Just to name a few. Just to name a few. All right? Just to name a few. It goes on to state that Aave is a decentralized finance platform designed to help facilitate transparent, decentralized borrowing and lending by using self-executing smart contracts instead of traditional intermediaries. Hold on, what did Larry Fink say? What did Larry Fink say? The underlying technology of crypto is really useful. We don't need custodians anymore. Hold on, what? We don't need custodians anymore. Why? Why? Because platforms like Aave, which are designed to help facilitate transparent, decentralized borrowing and lending by using self-executing smart contracts instead of traditional intermediaries. Intermediary and custodians are interchangeable, right? The intermediary is normally the custodian is doing the middleman transaction. Grayscale is the world's largest crypto fund manager with approximately $21 billion in assets under management as of October 2nd, according to Grayscale. $21 billion. Interesting. Hey, Swerve said I just borrowed 5,000 yesterday. That's what I'm talking about. DeFi legends out here. DeFi gods. Hey, no paperwork, no credit check, no waiting in line, the push of a button. And he got $5,000 to go do what he wants. And depending on where he's borrowing it from, what network, he may be getting paid to borrow that money, right? He may be getting paid to borrow that money. Let's take a look real quick. Hold on. Let's take a look real quick. Depending on what network he's using, because I know right now, if I'm not mistaken, are they doing it back on Arbitrum now? Let me see. Are they doing it back? Was it Arbitrum? Let me see. So on Arbitrum, yeah, if you borrow the Go token right now, you pay 11% APR, but you get paid 7.31% in Arbitrum tokens. So you're getting paid assets to borrow money on the Arbitrum network. Let's see. And to borrow stable coins, I mean, to borrow money right now is 5%, 5%, 5.3%, 5.5%. You know, a credit card with Capital One is like 25% APR right now. Right? What are we talking about here? Let me see. Avalanche. Are we getting paid? You're getting paid to borrow money on Avalanche. Look at this here. Right? It's not a lot, but what bank pays you to borrow money? I'll wait. Right now, if you borrow USDC, you pay back 5.85% in interest, but you get paid 0.4% in, what is it, staked Aave? Staked AVAX. Excuse me, not Aave. Staked AVAX. Staked AVAX. Okay. Once again, name me a bank that pays you to borrow money. Name me a financial institution that pays you to borrow money. I will wait. I will wait. And then on the deposit side, look at this. Not only do I get paid interest on my dollars, I also get paid an extra distribution APY. So I'm getting paid about 3% APY right now on my dollars, but I'm getting paid an extra 1.87%. Right? I'm getting paid an extra 1.87%. Right? In staked Aave. Excuse me, AVAX. I don't know why I keep calling it Aave. Now, I can also supply USDC and get paid 4.7, almost 5% of my money, and still get paid 1.4% in AVAX tokens. So now, if you don't understand what this is and how it works, right? This is the equivalent of you going to put money in the bank and then the bank paying you silver as well as your regular return of investment or interest, right? That's like a financial institution saying, "Hey, we're going to pay you 4% on the dollars that you put into us, but you know what? We're also going to pay you 1.44% APY in silver." Name one. Name one that even pays you in bank points or something like that. I mean, something. Goddamn. What extra am I getting out of you guys? Why am I still using you? Right? And this is why you see Grayscale creating funds around the future JP Morgan. All right. It goes on to state that Grayscale is the world's largest fund. Oh, yeah, 21 billion, yada, yada, yada. It is best known for its Bitcoin and Ether exchange traded funds, including Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Grayscale Ethereum Trust. The Grayscale Aave Trust solely invests in the Aave token. That means this bigwig who created this trust so they can solely invest in this token that I've been presenting to y'all for the last 4 or 5 years. Hey, this is fucking proof in the pudding right now. Didn't I say that I would have y'all at least 5 to 10 years ahead of the rest of society? Once again, the Brother Rich class was held in 2020. We're in 2024, going into 2025. Grayscale is just now creating a trust 4 to 5 years after I held that class. Proof is in the pudding. Proof is in the pudding. Grayscale also operates private single asset funds for other protocol tokens, such as Basic Attention Token and Chainlink. Aave is DeFi's most popular lending protocol with nearly 12 billion in total value locked. Hold on. So Grayscale, they only got 21 billion in assets under management. Aave, which is one protocol, has 12 billion in total value locked. In July, Aave's token holders endorsed a proposal to upgrade its tokenomics with a mechanism directing a portion of protocol revenues to Aave stakers. What does this mean? That means that we're going to get paid a portion of the revenue if we're staking our Aave tokens. Aave earns revenue from liquidations of loans, which are collateralized in cryptocurrency. The Aave token has gained more than 110% in the past 12 months. By leveraging blockchain technology and smart contracts, which is what I teach you all, not how to buy a token and hope that it goes up, Aave's decentralized platform aims to optimize lending and borrowing while removing the middleman and reducing reliance on human judgment. Grayscale's head of product and research, Ray Hana, Sharif Asghar, said in a statement, in August, Dave Lavelle, Grayscale's global head of ETS, I don't know where labor came from, Grayscale's global head of ETS, predicted that the market for cryptocurrency ETS, which will expand to encompass new types of digital assets and diversified crypto indexes. We're going to see a number of more single asset products and then also certainly some index-based and diversified products. I'm giving y'all that right now. I know what he's saying and used some of this before, and I can still barely understand the full value in the use of most of this. Satoshi Sensei, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. You're in the door. What's going on, family? Peace, peace, peace. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. See what's going on in the market. Bitcoin 61.6. ETH back above 2,400. Back above 2,400 now. Let's go ahead and break it down. Let's take a look. Let me see. Do I got a buy signal yet? No buy signal yet. No buy signal yet. Waiting to see. Right. And once again, y'all, this could be the relief rally before you see another move lower. So tread cautiously. Right. You want to tread cautiously. But let's see. If we're looking at Ethereum, right? Ethereum's trying to get back inside at 61.8. So that means Ethereum just needs to hold above 23.67. If it does take out its 50% retracement, that's going to be even better. Let me scoot this over to the side real quick. There we go. Dr. Tony, wealthy rising queen. Peace, peace, peace. Celestial care. How goes the day? Yeah, Aerodrome been going crazy too. I think he had a decent dip though. Let's take a look. Oh, yep, that dip's over with. Ha! Hey, look, it dipped right back down to the 61.8 and then bounced from there. Look at that. Look at that. Came down. I'm talking about, look what it did, y'all. Look at that. I'm talking about, just gave it a real quick kiss on the lips and turned right back around. This is TA. Look at that. This was your buy position. And bam. So now what we're looking to do is hold above the 23.6 at that point. You get what I'm saying? Well, zoom out. When in doubt, zoom on out. That's what I was taught. When in doubt, zoom on out. All right, what we got going on for Ethereum? Ethereum on the daily, you got 7 hours and 50 minutes left to hold above 2371. Take out 2400 and then proceed on to 2500. Right? Just your email. Just your email. You're gonna get all the information in the email. You're gonna get all the information in the email. Ta-da, what's going on? Peace, peace, peace. How goes today? Hey, Kujira got something exciting going on, right? Hold on, let me get done with this real quick. Yeah, 23.7 to hold, 2400 to break, 2500 to reverse, and 2600 or 2591 to really get back in the good graces, and then we're gonna see higher highs from there. And within the next 24 hours, we do see a close back below 2371. I will look for a continuation move down towards 2274. So that means the pump that we're seeing right now, right? You could see a move back south and lose another almost up 6%. Lose another almost 6%. Mixed by Mask, I got to come get in that studio with you, man. I got to come get in that stew. And I need to check out your parents' shop too. I'm gonna see. Fuck, I got class tonight. I'm gonna see if I can do that. I'm gonna see if I can do that today. If not today, tomorrow. See if I can come. You peep the avalanche upgrade? Yes, I did peep the avalanche upgrade. But check this out though. Check this out. Fuji, Rune, Rujira. And it's a possible airdrop, right? It's a possible airdrop going on, right? Kujira team to build a new Thor chain app layer called Rujira, right? It's going to be called Rujira. This is 1 month ago from the Thor chain article. Hey, I'm giving y'all the future right now. I'm literally giving y'all the future right now. Okay? This right here is going to be major. It's going to be major. This is Kujira teaming up with Thorchain to create Rujira, right? I don't got a lot of time to go through it right now, but do your due diligence, y'all. Do your due diligence. I may just hold a class on covering all this and showing people how to get allocated to it. But I am gonna start increasing my Kujira holdings. So let me look up Kuji real quick. Kuji, US dollar, crypto. Let me see where we at right now. Okay. So Kuji, there we go. There we go. Let's open it up real quick. All right, Kuji down in the dumps right now, right? So what we need to happen, what we need to see happen, let me see. First and foremost, we need to get back above our level of resistance right here. That's coming in at about 44 cents, 44.88, 44.84, 44. Oh, wow. That's interesting. But 44.84, right? If we can get back above there, I look for the move north towards 57. And then it gives us a chance to get back above these previous highs over here to the left, somewhere around 96 cents. From where we're currently at, though, especially if you're able to just throw a little. So remember, lottery tickets, right? Your upside right now is 1,624%. So if I play the lottery and I normally spend $20, right? What's wrong with me putting $20 into this project, allowing it to earn me passive income? Remember, with the lottery, when you buy a ticket, if your numbers don't hit, that shit goes in the trash. You might as well crumble the fucking 20 up and throw it in the garbage in the very beginning. You get what I'm saying? At least with cryptocurrency. This is what people don't understand. Oh, it's a gamble, man. But y'all want to play parlays and guess if this guy's going to do a football, all this other shit. And if you lose, you just fucking lose. They may give you a $5 voucher or something like that. With crypto, at least you stand to live another day. It may be a month from now, 6 months from now, a year from now, 2 years from now. But guess what? If you put that 20 into a project that has solid technology, that lottery ticket ain't crumbled up and put in the trash yet. It still has the ability to give you a return. Okay? Ms. Ashley said, my son is 9 and be glued in listening to you. It's the future generations for me. Thank you, Queen. I got to watch my language then. O said the SUI ecosystem has been on fire as well. Hey, we held the class on SUI. Look, let me see. I think we do still have the SUI class available up here as well. Let me see. I think we still do have the SUI. SUI. Where you at? There it is. Yep, how to maneuver the SUI network. Look, discount. These classes are easily $500 classes, y'all. Easily. Right now, they got a 15% discount. Use the code 444. Hey, look, with that being said, I got to get up out of here, y'all. We've been live for I don't even know how long, since what, 9:40? So almost an hour and something odd minutes. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate the support. Hopefully, I see everybody at class tonight. We will be going over Casper, the KRC20 tokens, right? As well as I got a little something extra up my sleeve. Go to blockwallstreet.io. Blockwallstreet.io if you want to get into tonight's class. Get any of the older classes that I've got 15% discount using the code 444. Yeah. I think with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and play the let's get Lemon Pepper Freestyle playing. We can do Lemon Pepper Freestyle here. And we'll be out with that.
Close to 50.
Why would I buy Bitcoin when I got coke? Why would I my hustles? I got smoke from the West Coast, imported from my folks. Got some Bitcoin now 65,000 up. It's all fake. Get that house in the duck off in LA. How many coins do you have bought for 5,000 on that day? Maybe 10, 50,000 out the pocket. Be sitting on half. This is your ex money that niggas don't comprehend. And this new money matrix that niggas is living in. Look at my eyes, I've been giving so many jewels from the city of Wayne. Use community tools to make a couple of ends that they can turn into some things that they mental is up the bar. Generational wealth is not created by buying cars. Shoes clothes are spinning on the whole. I'm thinking assets. Real estate, crypto, silver, and gold. And I've been going down the toll and my mind is on overload. Reparations are absorbed by way of the internet. And I know it's on the graph, so we break the intellect. They waiting for the crash, they look for the intercept. They got niggas loving cash with this damn debt. Debt notes in exchange for the fresh clothes. Notes in exchange for the best road. To get the financially freedom land where only the best go. You want to see the profits, I learned to invest slow. Make your next move the best move. Make the wrong move in the flesh move. Blood in the street, sharks moving in the flesh tube. So can you wonder?